I am going to show you how to create a beautiful Etsy cover photo banner for your Etsy shop and how you can get that specific to your brand. I do want to explain first, there is a difference between the Etsy cover photo and the Etsy banner. The Etsy banner is basically it's a smaller image. It's for sellers who really want their listings to kind of show on top and, not so much have, advertise their brand so much. They want to advertise their listings. The cover photo is what I like the most because I feel that you are making your brand whenever you make your cover photo. So I'm going to show you how to do that in Canva. I love Canva so much because as you can tell here, all these templates are already sized to what you need. And you can change anything on these. Now, you can go down here to where it says social media and email headers, and you can click the Etsy shop cover. However, I don't know that I like that because I just really want to start from scratch and make something my own. Although any of these, they're all beautiful and you can, change anything on here, the font, the color, just about anything. But I really feel that it is just much easier to, kind of start from scratch. So I'm going to go back here and we're going to use custom dimensions. And for the Etsy cover photo, it is going to be 3360 by 840. And we're going to click design. Okay, so right here we have a very nice white background. Now you can change the color of that if you would like, but I really like to keep a clean look to it. So we're basically going to create a very simple Etsy banner cover photo. I just opened up a new Etsy shop. I have 2 and I'm opening up a 3rd, and I haven't had much time to work on it. So I've been focusing on, other aspects of my business, and, I love to teach what I know. So I just opened it up, and I thought that maybe you could watch me make the banner. I'm going to keep it very simple. So we have the size that we need. Now you can upload PNG images right here where it says uploads. And it just so happens I've already uploaded the image I'm going to use. So you want to make sure that they have a transparent background so that when you go to pull them over here, it's not going to have anything white. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to actually pull this over. So is what I'm going to do here, and this is just a lot of fun. You can play around with this. These are watercolor blobs, and I purchased these watercolor blobs on, I do believe, Creative Market. It was either Creative Market or you can get things like this on Etsy directly. Okay, so right here is what I'm going to do. You can actually flip this. I'm wanting to flip this and put this down in the other corner. Okay, so this is very simple. I love the watercolors a whole lot, and because my shop is going to be about instant downloads, and it's going to be about, you know, designs and anything that you can make. Stationery, invitations, digital papers, you know, just pretty much anything. So we have these about the same size. They don't have to be exact. This is your art here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we want to add text. And basically, if you just click this first one right here where it says add a heading, and you click on it, you can go up here and you can change your font. So the name of my new shop is going to be Simply Print Shop. And I want it to be something sort of script and font. Okay, so right here this is the font that I have chosen, and now all we have to do is we are going to add our text. And you can move this around a little bit, and we are definitely going to play around with this. We need to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so I really like this, and if you wanted to add something, you know, very small, just to kind of say what your shop is about, like a subheading, you can go here, and once you click here, the fonts are going to pop up here, and then you can actually, you know, put something like okay, so I'm right here, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to put printable instant downloads. Now we want to make this very small because we want to put this underneath of our so you can actually decrease the font size to something very small, or you can make it just a little bit bigger, however you want to do it. So I kind of like this, and you can stretch it a little bit. And back here, I think I also want to make this just a little bit bigger. Let me try going to 52. And you can just play around with this and just kind of move, you know, all this around. So this is a very simple banner. This completely just states exactly what my shop is going to be all about. Simply Print Shop. And then it says right here, printable instant downloads. Okay, so now we want to download it. And it sometimes takes a few minutes depending upon your internet connection or however. So it's ready. So now we're going to click on the image right here. And now we can save this. And then I'm going to show you how easily it is that we can upload this to our Etsy shop. And sometimes this takes a little while. So, you don't need anything fancy. You want something on your Etsy cover photo that's going to be specific to your brand. So, for example, if I sold, products for home, like wall art or something like that, that is conducive to what I have in my shop. And basically letting, buyers know that everything is an instant download, nothing will be shipped. Okay, so right here, I'm actually going to save this image, save as. And I'm going to save this to my desktop. Okay, so we're going to hop over here to the Etsy shop that I just completed, and you just go down here to your Etsy, or just opened. You go down here to your Etsy shop to customize it, and you want to go to here. So we're going to add an image, and I'm going to go back to my desktop, and I'm going to find this banner. And there it is. And it fits perfectly and it fits beautifully in here. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any more videos that I'm going to be uploading, because my entire channel is all about how to make a passive income. And it's not just with Etsy, there's other ways to make money online. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.